Hi kids! So today I'm going to show you how to make a whale from an origami paper. First thing you have to do is make a triangle shape like this. Yeah. Fold your paper like this and then open up your paper again and make a kite shape like this. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Make sure that there is no space between these two. So after that, when you already make the kite shape, fold the tip like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, so you have a paper become like this. And then fold the paper again. Yeah, like this. We have the body of the whale now, so let's make the tail of the whale. All you need to do is fold the paper like this. Yeah. Ta-da! So we have a whale now, a blue whale, a big blue whale. Now I will put the eye of the whale like this.